Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any beautiful time. So you can see this one is very beautiful bathroom. You can see the lights and all, and this one also you can see the mirror backside, the lights and all, and everything is very beautiful. The lamp and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see looking very good. This one also you can see the floor, the mirrors and the lamp and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. You can see, and this one also you can see the down lights. You can see the beautiful lights and all, the beautiful lights looking very good. And this one also you can see it is very beautiful. You can see the beautiful lights and the mirrors and the floor and all, very beautiful. And this also you can see it is very beautiful. By beautiful bathroom, you can see the floor and all, the floor, the mirrors and the lights and all, very beautiful decoration. This is also the modern bathroom. You can see the walls and all, very beautiful walls, and the mirror. You can see the lights, gold lights, and this one also the blue color theme walls and all, beautiful color theme wall, and the flowers. You can see the floor, you can see very beautiful, and this one also very beautiful, the silver color walls, roof, and the floor, very beautiful decoration. And this one also the white color theme, white color beautiful theme. You can see the lights, the lamps and all, it is very beautiful. You can see it's looking very beautiful, very attractive. And this also you can see very beautiful, the mirrors and all, looking very good, very nice. Also you can see the flowers and the cupboards and all, blue color cupboards and all, very beautiful cupboards. And this also the blue color wall, the mirror, the roof, the wall and all, very beautiful, looking very good. This one also you can see very beautiful, the beautiful decoration. You can see the floor, the water tap and the roof and the candles and all. This one also very beautiful, the floor, the mirrors, the sides inside bed. You can see the lights, up lights, very beautiful lights and all. And this also very beautiful. You can see the walls, the floor, the roof with the lights and all, very beautiful. And this one you can see the beautiful place and all. You can see the blue color, very beautiful, and it's also very beautiful, the two mirrors, the cupboards and all, very beautiful cupboard. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.